Hello friends, welcome to H3 Diamond Academy. In this particular lecture, we will discuss about the problems on the vector identities. So let's begin. Okay, so what is given in the question? Let us solve this. So we have proved that the divergence of a plus b is equal to divergence of a plus divergence of b. How we can solve this? So we have basically, let us expand this. So del dot a plus b. Okay, so we can expand this via, this is vector differential operator. Vector differential operator. Okay, so we can and del is equal to, which is equal to, del is equal to I del upon del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z. This we can write as I del upon del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z dot a plus b. Okay, so this we can further expand as, so this is equal to I dot, let us expand this. So I dot del upon del x of a plus b plus j dot del upon del y of a plus b plus k dot del upon del z of a plus b. Okay, so let us further expand this. So we have this as I dot, let us take del upon del x of x, let us expand del upon del x of a plus b. So this is del a upon del x plus del b upon del x plus j dot del upon del y, del a upon del y plus del b upon del y plus k cap dot del a upon del z plus del b upon del z. So this is equal to I dot del a upon del x plus j dot del a upon del y plus k dot del a upon del z. Okay, so this is the expansion of differential of a plus I dot del b upon del x plus j dot del b upon del y plus k dot del b upon del z. Okay, so this is equal to, this is equal to divergence of a, and this is equal to divergence of b. So del dot b, and we have to prove that del dot a plus b. Okay, so divergence of a plus b is equal to divergence of a plus divergence of b. So this we have to prove. Okay, let us discuss question number 2. What? So it is given in the question, prove that curl of a plus b is equal to curl of a plus curl of b. So let us expand this. So we have del cross a plus b is equal to I del upon del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z. Okay, cross a plus b. Okay, so we can further expand this as I del upon del x cross a plus b plus j del upon del y cross a plus b plus k del upon del z cross a plus b. Okay, so we have the identity, vector identity, as we have already studied the vector identity. M a cross b is equal to a cross mb is equal to m a cross b. Okay, so we can use this as, we can shift the cross product here. Okay, similarly we can shift the cross product between k and del upon del z. Similarly here between I and del upon del x. So this is I cross del upon del x of a plus b plus j cross del upon del y of a plus b plus k cross del upon del z of a plus b. Okay, so this we can write as summation I cross del upon del x a plus b. So this is equal to summation I cross, this is del a upon del x plus del b upon del x. Okay, so this is equal to summation I cross del a upon del x plus summation I cross del b upon del x. Okay, so this is equal to, this is basically curl of a, curl of a, and this term is basically, so let us further expand this. This is not visible, I think. Okay, so let us further expand this. So this is equal to summation I cross del a upon del x plus summation I cross del b upon del x. Okay, so this particular term is curl of a. curl of A, and this particular term is curl of B. Okay, so this is equal to curl of A plus curl of B. Okay, let us discuss question number 3. How we can solve this? Okay, so we have divergence of del dot phi A. Okay, so this we can further expand as I del upon del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z dot phi A. Okay, so this we can further expand as this is equal to I dot del upon del x of phi A plus j dot del upon del y of phi A plus k dot del upon del z of phi A. Okay, so this is equal to, so this we can write as summation I dot del upon del x of phi A. Okay, so this is equal to summation I dot del phi upon del x into A plus phi del A upon del x. Okay, so we can shift this dot product here. Sorry, this is dot product here. Okay, in this case let us expand one step further. Okay, for ease of simplification. So this is equal to summation I dot del phi upon del x into A plus summation I dot phi del A upon del x. Okay, so let us further expand this. So this is equal to, we can shift this dot here and we can take out this phi outside. Okay, that is we can shift this dot product here. Okay, so this is equal to summation I del phi upon del x dot A plus phi we can take out, summation phi dot phi we can take out. So this is phi we can take out, and this is I dot del A upon del x. Okay, so this is summation is independent of this phi, so phi we can take out. So this is summation I del phi upon del x dot A plus phi summation I dot del A upon del x. Okay, let us further simplify this. So this is equal to, so this is equal to del phi, and this is equal to del dot A. So this is equal to del phi dot A plus phi del dot A. So this is equal to del dot phi A. Okay, let us discuss question number 4. How we can solve this? So we have curl of phi A. Curl of phi A so is equal to del cross phi A. Okay, so this is equal to I del upon del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z cross phi A. Okay, so this is equal to I del upon del x cross phi A plus j del upon del y cross phi A plus k del upon del z cross phi A. Okay, so this we can shift this cross product here. So this is equal to I cross del upon del x phi A plus j cross del upon del y phi A plus k cross del upon del z phi A. Okay, so this is equal to summation I cross del phi upon del x into A plus A plus phi del A upon del x. This we can write as, okay. So this is equal to, let us further simplify this. So this is equal to summation I cross del phi upon del x into a plus summation I cross phi del a upon del x. Okay, so let us further simplify this. Okay, so we have curl of phi a is equal to summation I cross del phi upon del x into a plus um, summation I cross phi del a upon del x. Okay, so this we can write as so we have summation, we have the vector identity as a cross mb is equal to ma cross b is equal to ma cross b. Okay, so we can shift this cross product here and phi we can take out. So this is summation I del phi upon del x cross a, okay, plus phi summation I cross del a upon del x. Okay, so this is equal to gradient of phi, that is del phi. Okay, and this is equal to curl of a, that is del cross a. Let us place the value here. Okay, so this is equal to del phi cross a plus phi del cross a. So this is equal to gradient of phi cross a plus phi curl of a. Okay, this is curl of phi a. Okay, hence proved. Okay, so we will discuss further questions in next particular lecture. Thank you.